Manam, this is Vashita. In today's Manam Sarees episode, we will be looking at the festive collections for the upcoming Diwali season. And all of these sarees are available in different colors and they're also very affordable. So let's get started with today's episode. In today's episode, I will be showcasing 6 colors in 2 different designs, and all of the other colors are available on our website at manamchennai.com, and the link is in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. Now starting off with the first shade, we have this lovely sandcastle color saree, and now on the body it's got arrow prints in zari. Let me open it out. So as you can see, it's a lovely bright color and it's got zari work, copper zari arrows all over the body, and it has a double-sided contrasting orange color border with golden zari work on both the sides. Now we have a contrasting rust color pallu with zari work on it. Now we have a contrasting blouse, and this blouse has zari work on it and it has a border as well. And this saree is priced at rupees 1895. Now moving on to the next shade, we have this fawn color. Again, a very different color, and it has the same arrows on the body. And it also has a double-sided border. It has a golden zari border, and this is a contrasting orange color shade. And on the body it has zari work as well. Now we have a contrasting red color pallu, and it's got zari work on the pallu. Now this is a contrasting red blouse, and it's got a lovely border as well with zari on it. And this saree is also priced at rupees 1895. Now for the next design, we have a different saree, and this is a semi Banaras jacquard saree, and this is a mauve pink color. It's got checks all over the body, and it also has jacquard zari work. Let me open it. So now it's got 2 shades. It's got mauve pink and orange mixed in checks, and it also has zari on both the sides. It's got small borders on either side of the body. Now we have the same shade for the pallu, and this pallu is overlaid with grand zari work. Now we have a striped blouse, and it also has zari designs on it. And this saree is priced at rupees 2050. Now for the next shade, we have this marigold color saree, a very bright color, and it's got checks here as well, and it also has zari work on the body of the saree. So this is how the body of the saree looks, and we also have zari buttas all over the body. And now for the borders, we have a thin border on both the sides, a contrasting brown color, and the borders also have zari work on them. Now this is the same shade for the pallu as well, and the pallu is overlaid with zari work on it. Now we have a contrasting green color blouse with zari work on it, and this saree is priced at rupees 2050. Now for the next shade, we have this lovely lemon yellow color saree. It's a very bright color, and on the body it has the same checks like the previous sarees, and this is a Banarasi jacquard saree, and it also has silver zari work over here. Like the other sarees, it had gold, but this is silver zari buttas, and it has a double-sided contrasting border in the shade of pink, and these borders also have silver zari in them. Now for the pallu here, it's a contrasting pallu in orange, a perfect combination with the yellow, and this pallu has zari work on it, a golden color zari. Now this is a jacquard blouse in a contrasting shade, and the blouse also has 2 borders on either side, and this saree is priced at rupees 2050. Now for the last shade, we have this lovely pink color. It's got 2 shades of pink on the side. Now on the body, as you can see, it's got checked body, and it has 2 colors. It's got a darker pink and a lighter pink, and on the body throughout we have golden zari buttas on it, lovely floral color designs, and it has a double-sided border with golden zari work on both the sides. Now the same color goes for the pallu as well, and it has silver zari work all over the pallu. Now we have a striped blouse, a double shade pink and purple, and this saree is priced at rupees 2050. Thank you for watching today's episode. And if you like any of the sarees that we have showcased in today's episode, don't forget to check it out on our website at manamchennai.com. The link is in the description box below, which will directly lead you to the collections page. Also like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Manam Silks for daily updates, and also hit that bell icon for instant updates. Happy shopping at Manam Silks.
வீட்ல விசேஷம், அதுவும் கல்யாணம். கல்யாண பொண்ணு ராணி மாதிரி இருக்க வேண்டாம்? அந்த இடம் மனசை இழுக்கணும். ஒரு வார்ம் அண்ட் வெல்கமிங் ஆம்பியன்ஸ்ல நிம்மதியா நமக்கு பிடிச்சத செலக்ட் பண்ற மாதிரி. வாவ், எவ்வளவு வைட் ரேஞ்ச்! பியூர் சில்க், காட்டன், டிசைன், கலர், பேட்டர்ன்னு போட்டி போடும். வாங்குறதுல உங்க ரசனைக்கு சவால் விடும். சங்கீத் அண்ட் ரிசப்ஷனுக்கு டிசைனர் சாரீஸ், சல்வார், லெஹங்கா, so new and different. First of its kind, unique and special wedding studio. ஃபேமிலிக்காகவே. இங்க ஒவ்வொரு சாரியும் நெக்ஸ்ட் ஃபேஷன் ட்ரெண்ட். கலைநயம் மிக்க முழுமையான கைநெசவு. இதுல உங்க ராணி மகாராணியா மின்னுவாங்க. மனம் 3 floors of extravaganza, அண்ணா நகர், சென்னை.